So it's recorded now. Let's see the price. Sayang. Anyway, we're gonna check the trade again. So this past few days, last 2 weeks ago, few days. Hindi na nga, few days. 1 weeks kasi dito nag-sell tayo sa area na to. Dito nag-sell din tayo sa area na to. So yan yung forecast natin this past few days. 2 weeks. Kaya most of our trade is profitable. So ngayon, hinihintay natin kung ito bang area na to ay ma-break. Ito yung tinatawag nating support. So support na to, gumawa siya ng previous support which is ito. Ito dapat yung ginawa niya. Yung nga lang, kung tingnan natin, na-break niya na. So, yan yung daily. So itong previous na support is sideways support. So tingnan natin sa lower time frame. So kung magsisell or magbabay ako dyan, ang risk ko ay 47, pwedeng maging 86 yung risk ko. 86 pips. So kung 86 pips, kung nagbay ako ng $1, pwede ako ma-loss ng $86. Kung nagbay ako ng $10 per lot, pwede ako ma-loss ng $806. So, what are we going to do now is to confirm the trend line and price action. Di natin to naabutan kanina. I was on my flight. So now we are looking into, entry dapat to, hindi. We'll see, 15 minutes. Pwede natin sabayan mag-sell tayo, no? Okay. So mag-sell tayo. Tingnan natin sa 15 minutes. Kailangan siya umangat ng konti. For tayo mag-sell, 1 minute. Let me just check some line or trend line. So I think the market's still bearish. But for scalping trade, we can open sell at this price. We can also buy at this price. So this will be our scalping trade. We'll see how this price react. But anyway, if you want to join, we have a 1-month classes and we have education which you can learn and practice with us. All right. So tingnan natin to. Hintayin tayo konti. 5 minutes. We'll see how the market reacts. Actually, downtrend pa siya sa 5 minutes, 15 minutes eh. Pwede pa tayo mag-sell actually. Okay, we're going to sell this price. Then we're going to add another sell this area. Okay, so we'll see anong pwede mangyari sa market ngayon. So since this is scalping trade, yan, napaprofit tayo ng $36. We'll see kung madrop pa niyan. Again, the way we understand the candle is based on our practice and training. So if you want to become, to understand the chart pattern, candles, resistance and support, momentum, demand and supply, then join our training. Okay, so tingnan natin to kung babagsak or magre-retrace. See, bumabagsak pa siya. Kasi dito sa 1 hour, solid pa yung seller. So, may tendency talaga. Pwede pa. Pero US dollar market magbubukas. So, may tendency, pwede rin mag-iba yung trade. but we always ready in our trade and we have strategy. So na-trigger yung isa. Now, 15 minutes, the candles is paakyat. Okay. Tingnan natin kung magbubukas pa tayo or mag-hedge tayo. We'll see. Okay, dito sa trading natin, kung mapapansin natin, yung iba kumikita na. Okay, so we can close or wait for a possibility ito ay gagawa ng punta dito sa baba, which is possible talaga siya. Why? Um, you can learn this strategy in our trading education. Okay? So, from our negative, ngayon, positive na tayo, 300, 400, 400. Come on, kailangan maging pula yan. 500. Excellent. Now, we're going to minimize the trade. Isa na lang. So, yeah. We managed to make profit 600 USD. Congratulations to traders or student who managed to join our copy trading. Okay, so ayos no. Simple lang. Within 10 minutes, you can trade like this, like us, and make profit. All you need to do is join our education, practice with us, learn from experienced trader who trade in front of you. Alright, so now, break even yung isa. We're going to close this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So total profit, guys, we managed to make 650 US dollar in just 10 minutes. Why? We are using price action naked trading ACS strategy. There's a lot of reason why we took the trade for you to understand, practice, learn from TW. All right? See you in our next live trading. Congratulations. Bye-bye.